My name is Cameron Schell, and I'm the CEO and president of Draganfly. Draganfly is the oldest commercial manufacturer and solution provider of drones in the world. We trade on the NASDAQ under the symbol DPRO. Draganfly has the traction, the team, and the technology to realize on the potential of this multi-billion-dollar industry. We have over 30 patents that are specifically designed for our customers to give them a strategic advantage on how they collect their data, deliver their packages, or accomplish their missions. We have a board of directors that's second to none. We have a demonstrated track record of hundreds of customers and growing. And we have the technology with a strong patent portfolio and a proven track record of commercializing some of the most important innovations in this space. Please visit us today at draganfly.com. That's DRAGANFLY.com.